I have a job in Green Bay, Wisconsin. So right now I'm not real comfortable driving in the snow. So what I'm going to do is store my RV until the spring, come back down, pick it up, and then drive it back when the weather is a little bit better. So for the first time ever, I am going to attempt to winterize my RV and store it up. Hey everybody, David aka RV Jedeye, and welcome to Semi Full Time, the story about how I lost my job, had to find a new one, sold my house, moved into my RV and lived full time, and now have a new job. It's not in Florida anymore, as you can tell. I am here in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and I made the trip from Florida all the way up after winterizing everything. Just in time, I guess. If I was here, I would have had to winterize a long time ago. But now I'm here, and the adventure in Green Bay begins now. So to get ready for the big trip, I had to start by cleaning out my RV, making sure it was really good to go. During my last trip, that's what I did. And then it was taking it back to Tallahassee to get the RV winterized. I took out all of the water. I did everything I could. I found a new RV spot to store the RV that had more security. Got an RV cover on that, and everything was set for that. Next thing I had to do was get the movers in. I had a couple of storage units. We packed that up, and then it was on the road to Green Bay. It is the last official moments here in Tallahassee. I have just gassed up everything. The movers have come, taken everything. I am now officially out of Tallahassee, on my way to Memphis to spend a little time with my mom, and then on the way to Green Bay to start the next chapter of my life. Here goes. Thanks, Tallahassee. Thanks, everybody. It's been great. Spent the night in Memphis and hung out with my mom and loved being there. Got some barbecue at Corky's, and the next day it was back on the road. Mom has loaded me up. I have lots of food to last me probably for the next 4 days, so I love that, Mom. Thank you very much. Loved just swinging by and seeing her for a day, and now it's back on to the hard grind up to Urbana, University of Illinois in Champaign. That's the goal for today. Peace. The drive through Memphis here, you can see the Bass Pro Shop there. It was pretty easy, and I went through Arkansas. That was the next state. And then just kind of kept the grind going. From Arkansas on the road, hit into Missouri, and I was feeling good. Have to admit, I was feeling good early. Quick restroom break. I am in Missouri. So I started out in Tennessee, went through Arkansas, now in Missouri. Then it's on to Illinois after this. The drive hasn't been too bad. I am actually going back today to where I was born, Champaign, Illinois. I have never been there since I was born there, so it'll be interesting to head on back and maybe even see where I was born and see where I lived for, I think, 2 years. So time to head back on the road. Whew. Green Bay, here I come. So this is the street that I was actually not born on, but lived here for the first couple of years of my life. Not exactly sure which of the houses, but it's Nevada Street and Busey in Champaign-Urbana. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go check out the hospital.
just a quick check-in. I'm feeling pretty good. Went through Illinois, or part of Illinois, fairly quickly, so I'm going to power through and get into Green Bay tonight. I should get there relatively early. Have some work to do once I get settled in, but for the most part, the drive has been pretty good. So just wanted to do a quick check-in.
The next day in Green Bay was up and finding an apartment.
All right, so I'm back in a Sticks and Bricks. Let's go take the tour. I'll show you what it's all about.
So this is the kitchen, the living room area, back patio, little dining area, I guess. Come on through. Oops, I forgot to do the bathroom lights. Here's the bathroom. And one of my favorite parts, the washer and dryer. Nice sized bathroom. And then you come out here. This is the smaller of the two bedrooms. So this will be kind of the office area. And this is the master. Has a sink here in the master, and that's about it. So that's that. You come back out, and here we are. This is the back patio, and you know, can have barbecues out there, things like that. So this is now home again in the Sticks and Bricks. Cool. Now it's time to start making it home. Apartment secured, time to get some boots, snow boots. Haven't had any snow boots in about 35 years or so, but I got them at the perfect time because soon after it was the first snow of the year for me and for a long time, and the boots came in handy. It was definitely different driving here than in Tallahassee.
So, you know, part of what I've been doing once I got here into town is just finding my spots, you know, finding my grocery store, finding the cleaners. I have to get my oil changed, so I'm doing that. And that's what's going to be happening for a little while. Just getting used to everything before the big snowstorms and all the cold weather come in. But I got to tell you, I'm already thinking about bringing my RV here. I can't wait to explore this area and make this a part of the RV Jedeye channel as well. Well, it's official. I am here in Wisconsin, and my first real snow since I've been here. This is going to be fun. Hey, thanks for watching Semi Full Time. This has been a great series. I've been so glad and so excited to share everything with you. Remember, new videos for my regular channel start on Sundays. That's where I will be putting all of the content there. Still tons to go. But again, I really appreciate you watching this. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. Don't forget, you can follow me all over social media at RV Jedeye, and then, of course, on my blog at rvjedeye.com. Get out there, RV, when you can. Winterize when you have to. And just remember, there is still tons of RV experience coming your way. Thanks for watching.